All right, let's dive into something that's really all about connection, understanding, and strength. We're going to break down the real power behind autism awareness.
And right here, this really gets to the heart of the matter. World Autism Awareness Day isn't just a date on the calendar, it's a global celebration of diversity. It's about recognizing the incredible, totally unique perspectives that individuals on the autism spectrum bring to our world. But what does that awareness actually do?
And that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, it's one thing to say we're aware, right? But how do we take that feeling and turn it into something real, something tangible that actually creates change? Well, let's unpack how that happens, step by step.
Okay, so first things first. At its core, this whole thing is a celebration. It's a deliberate shift in how we look at things, moving away from a story that's all about challenges and instead championing unique strengths. Think of it like a huge collective movement. It's all about voices coming together to honor the unique strengths, the amazing creativity, and the individuality that every single person has. It's this powerful, powerful way of recognizing someone's worth and their contribution.
And when you celebrate these amazing perspectives, it's the perfect jumping-off point for what comes next, building a real, solid foundation for inclusion.
See, true inclusion, it's not some policy you can just write down in a handbook. It's so much deeper. It's a mindset. It's a culture that's built on two fundamental building blocks: genuine understanding and mutual respect. Without those two, inclusion is just a buzzword, but with them, it becomes a reality.
And this is where the magic really starts to happen. It's like a ripple effect. Because when a culture of understanding and respect really takes root, it never stays small. It spreads, and it transforms that awareness into something even bigger: true acceptance.
And this isn't some abstract idea, This journey plays out in the places we live and learn every single day. It could start small, maybe in just one classroom where a child finally feels understood and valued. But it never ever stops there. That feeling of acceptance just radiates outward, into our neighborhoods, our jobs, our entire communities.
It's this incredible chain reaction. Awareness kicks things off, lays the groundwork. That groundwork then nurtures real acceptance, and out of that acceptance, these vital networks of support can finally grow, creating spaces where absolutely everyone has the chance to thrive.
So, this all leads us to the final and maybe the most crucial piece of this whole puzzle. It's not enough to just get the concept. The real goal is to live it. So let's talk about how we turn all this insight into action.
Now, this isn't just a nice phrase on a screen. It's a real call to action. It's a unifying promise that every single one of us can make, a commitment to be part of the solution, to actively help build a more inclusive world. So what does that pledge actually look like?
Well, we can actually break this path forward into a simple threefold promise. It all starts with number one: embrace differences. That means going beyond just tolerating to genuinely celebrating, which, naturally, leads to the second step: consciously spreading kindness. And when we do those two things, we get to the ultimate goal: to empower every life, making sure everyone gets the chance to reach their full amazing potential.
And so, this whole conversation brings us right back to you. This question isn't just for one day a year. It's for every single day. Because real, lasting change, the kind that truly transforms communities, it all starts with the small, individual choices we each decide to make. Thanks so much for joining me on this one.